How to get notifications from certain emails on Gmail. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect method. So let's start with the video, guys. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here you can see I have opened my Gmail account. So let me start with the process. So first we need to go in settings. Just click on settings, and here you can see the see all settings. Just click on it. Now here in the general tab we need to just scroll down, and you can see this option called desktop notification. Okay, and here we need to select this option, second option, which is important mail notification on particular matches. So we need to select this one. Now you need to save the changes. After the save changes, it will be take back on inbox. Then you need to again go to the setting, go to the see all settings, and go to the filters and blocks. Okay, go to the filters and block address, and here we need to create the new filters. And under the from section we need to put that email ID which from where you want to notification from your desktop, on your desktop. So just enter the email ID, that email ID, and just create the filter and mark as a, always mark as a important. Okay, so you can see first method we have selected that we need a notification from only important message, and in second process we have create a filter for particular email ID that mark as a important. So whenever I get the email from this email ID, I will get the notification on my desktop. Okay, and you can see under the Gmail there is a folder name importance, and here you can see the some particular important email. So Gmail has marked some particular emails as a important. If they think particular email ID is important, they send this email ID on this important section. But in case if you don't want any notification from particular email ID, then you need to skip this email from the important section. So what do you need to do? Just select that email ID where you want, you don't want the notification from, and here go to the three dot option and make sure mark as a not important. If you don't see this option here you need to switch this toolbar. Okay, here you switch to the advanced toolbar, then this option will be enabled. Now this select, you can mark as a not important, then this email ID will be move from here to inbox. Okay, or you can see the any other sections. Okay, and that is the setting you need to make, and after that you get the notification which you have marked as an important email ID. Okay, and one more setting you need to do on desktop, that go to the search bar here and type for notifications. Then you can see this notification setting come up. Just click on it, and here you need to just scroll down and find the Google Chrome, and make sure this notification option is enabled like this. You have to enable it, then you get the notification from any that email ID, okay, on your desktop. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.